Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your scheduled posts are not posting in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your scheduled posts are not working in Instagram, there might be some reasons for that. Talking about the reason, the first reason that might be the cause of the problem is that you are posting way too many scheduled posts in a short time. According to Instagram, you can post only 25 scheduled posts per day. If you exceed that amount, you cannot post a scheduled post and Instagram will not give you permission to post any more scheduled posts after 25. And the second issue here is the guidelines of Instagram. If you are not following guidelines of Instagram while posting the scheduled post, your scheduled post will not be posted. And the third reason might be because you are using the third-party applications or site in order to do the scheduled post. Instagram doesn't allow any other third party in order to post your scheduled posts into Instagram. Doing any of the three mistakes or your account is not into the business or creator mode, you will often see this kind of problem while doing this scheduled post. And by noticing and carefully thinking about all those problems before scheduling your post, you can solve this kind of issues into your Instagram. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.